Welcome to episode 4 of our Bootstrap-to-Drupal series. Our journey, how to do this, how this can be done, what choices, what we do we need to make, and so on. So in the last video I promised that I would do this time the attachment of libraries and so to say CSS files and JavaScript files to our theme, and we do that by this new concept in Drupal, which is called libraries. So let's go to our themes folder. Okay, here it is. A theme folder. Cut Corladi info, and I'm going to open it. Sublime in there. Okay. What will it default open to? I don't know. In Atom. I don't want it. It's too heavy. Okay, with Corladi, I got it here. Okay, this is what we had last time, and now I'm going to add libraries to it, and I call it global styling. Oh, let's call it global styling, and I think it needs this not very well. I need to do Corladi / global styling. I guess this is the syntax I need. You can create as many as you want, but this one is the one I'm going to use. I'm going to save it and I'm going to close it. So now we need a new empty file, and that's corladi.libraries.yml. And in this file I'm going to specify the specific things I need for the Corladi theme. So first of all, let's do some global styling. I called it global styling. So styling, I think this is the syntax needed. Let's give it a version number. I don't know if it's necessary, but it's there for a reason. Then we get a CSS done. Okay. From the theme folder, we're going to set them in the CSS folder, and let's see what we need. We have to examine the page source. Okay, we got ourselves a Bootstrap minified. Bootstrap min.css. CSS font awesome. awesome .min.css slash pretty photo .css main.css and finally css slash responsive.css. Well, I forgot something. You have to close that with curly brackets, and they are for purposes of telling Drupal where to look for the styles. In this case, they are locally in my system. Okay. I also have some GS libraries, and they're at the bottom, I guess. And now by default Drupal is loading the CSS style at the bottom. You could explicitly put them on top if you like to. You have to read to the theme guide how to do that, but default it's on the bottom of the page. So what we need, jQuery. That's an interesting one because I think it is loaded by default. Well, let's just add it to get it done. Yes, slash jQuery.js slash bootstrap.min.js slash jQuery.prettyphoto.js. No errors. jQuery. jQuery isotope. .min.js JS and JS slash main.js and finally JS slash wow.min.js for the wow effects. Okay. Well, I think that is the configuration of the libraries file. Maybe someone can point me out if I need this one, or should I create it as a dependency for core or jQuery. I don't know. For now I will leave it like this. Let's save it. Okay, so what have we done? We had declared our libraries in the YAML, in the info.yaml file, and we declared our correlated libraries file itself. Now what we need is to copy the jQuery and the CSS files in our theme folder. So to do that, I go to my desktop, and there I have the CSS and the JavaScript files. I copy them and I go to my Bootstrap to localhost, themes, Corladi, and let's drop them here. And if I did right, here are the CSS files needed, and here are the jQuery files needed. So okay, let's clear cache and see what happens. We have to wait and see if it's cache. We're going to do a page refresh over here, and if we did everything right, the CSS files and JavaScript files should be attached to our template. Well, it looks like it did. It kind of ruined our layout, but let's see if it's so. So here it is. Our CSS files are imported, and in the bottom probably our JavaScript is hopefully added. Let's see, vendor. Here it is. Here are the JavaScript files. Okay, well, that was not too difficult to do so. It totally ruined our admin interface, which is interesting, but we come to that later. First of all, it appears to be useful. I think the links are red in. Okay. Well, we attached the libraries file to our themes info.yaml file, and in the libraries we defined our CSS files and jQuery files we need. So this was it for this episode. In the next episode I will try to get some basic twig files to to do the to get the styling as we need. Okay, thanks for now. Please leave some quotes, responses, or tips, tricks, or suggestions in the comments. If you're totally happy with it, a thumbs up. Otherwise, well, I hope you enjoyed it, and I see you at episode number 5. Thank you.